try this bad boy.
The name doesn't sound very appetizing, but hopefully this will be okay. I don't think we're gonna have to cook this one or heat it up. We'll see. Let's open this up. All right, we got barbecue sauce. We got cheese spread, so it's already starting to look pretty good. Here's our entree, the chicken chunks, which hopefully will be good. We have, looks like energy bar. I've had that. They're a little tough. You have to like kind of warm them up. Tortillas. So looks like we could probably put the chicken in the tortillas. Oh, these are really good. Teriyaki stick. Fruit punch. Not sure what flavor that is, but we'll find out. And this is like a corn nut. These are like, yeah, corn nuts. Barbecue corn nuts. Barbecue corn nuts. Then we got our nice spoon. And then we have all of our little, you know, our toilet, like toilet paper, gum. Oh yeah. Oh, we know these. Yeah, the tortillas. And these ones actually look really fresh. Not sure the year of this MRE, but it's looking nice. Put these bad boys on the tray. Oh, that looks like something that arigato. I should have probably gotten a bigger cup. You can see how thick that sugar is. It'll probably taste okay, but look at those chunks. Okay, let's get our heater ready. Water's in there. All right, let's put our entree in there. Some guys like to shake it after they fold it. I don't know if that's proper, but I like to do it a little bit too. Okay, do a little bit of that. While that's cooking, let's see what we have in here. Alright, toilet paper. We have another drink, lemonade. Toilet. Salt. And gum. No matches this time, so you never know what you're going to get. But that's what we got, y'all. Alright, this thing is nice and hot. You can kind of see it sizzle. I think it's time to take it out of the sleeve and see what we got over here. Oh yeah, it's hot. Looks better than I thought. It smells good. Just kind of like, you know, this is almost like tuna, the way it's packaged. I wish they could just name it differently, though. It's just chunks. The word chunk does not sound good, although it is chunks. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to add some barbecue sauce, too, on this. We have the cheese spread. Let's do a little bit of... This is not the jalapeno cheese spread. This is just the regular. But in my opinion, this really saves the meal. Because some of the meals, the flavors are a little bit hard to explain. Chef Boyardee style. Chef Boyardee. Alright. Do a little bit on that. And we'll also put it on the other tortilla too. Here goes the barbecue sauce. Basically, we're just making barbecue chicken tacos. I'm fine by that. This is better than I thought it was going to be. Give it some flavor. Yeah, so this is barbecue chicken. So barbecue chicken chunk. Little tortillas. There we go. We'll try it without the tortillas. Texture looks okay. You got it's a little watery. Just gonna mix it. Let's try this. I guess I should have tried it without the barbecue. Pretty good. Tastes like chicken. It's a little watery. But other than that, it's delicious. Let's try putting it in a tortilla. Okay, it's hard to make this appetizing, but it's actually not bad. But if we didn't have that barbecue sauce and cheese, it would have just been plain. But it's good. It's a little messy, but we all know what these are. Basically corn nuts, barbecue. Not bad. This thing I've had before. It's really rock hard, but I don't want to chip a tooth. They're not bad. Just like a typical energy bar. But yeah, it's brutal. What saved the tray was the tortillas with the cheese, and then you had my favorite teriyaki beef stick, which I'm gonna save because I've tested. It's good. It's delicious. This was a good tray.